हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 4th साइबर कोड इस बुक में से इंटरनेट इस लेसन के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्लास 4th सब्जेक्ट साइबर कोड, चैप्टर 5 इंटरनेट एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। 1. www stands for dash dash. Answer: World Wide Web. 2. Dash dash is a web browser. Answer: Firefox. 3. Dash dash is the first page of any website. Answer: Home page. 4. URL stands for dash dash. Answer: Uniform Resource Locator. 5. We can use the dash dash button to save a website. Answer: Favorites. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given clues. 1. Internet is the network of millions of computers. 2. Scientists and engineers established a network called the ARPANET. 3. A website is a collection of related web pages. 4. We can use the back button to revisit the previous page. 5. We can reload a page by using the refresh button. Question 3. Write T for true and F for false. 1. Google Chrome is a website. Answer: False. 2. The default web browser in Windows 10 is Microsoft Edge. Answer: True. 3. The current tab appears in a dark gray color. Answer: False. 4. We can use the forward button to visit the next page. Answer: True. Five. Reliance Jio is an internet service provider. Answer: True. Question 4. Answer the following questions. 1. What is ARPANET? Answer: ARPANET was a network established by scientists and engineers, serving as a precursor to the internet. 2. Mention the key differences between uploading and downloading. Answer: Uploading involves transferring data from a computer system to the internet, while downloading involves retrieving data from the internet to a computer system. 3. What is a search engine? Answer: A search engine is a software tool used to search for information on the internet by entering keywords or phrases. 4. Define ISP with examples. Answer: ISP stands for Internet Service Provider, companies that offer internet access to users. Examples include Reliance Jio, MTNL, and Airtel. 5. What is the current tab in Microsoft Edge? Answer: The current tab in Microsoft Edge is the one that is currently being viewed, appearing in light gray color among other open tabs. Question 5. Identify the web browsers and write their names in the space provided. Answer is given directly.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.